died for love, nor for anything else, but my life may well be worth dying. When I see the thing I love and desire most, and she does nothing for me but give me pain and harm, death would serve me well, but what grieves me more, in brief, we will both be old, she and I. And if I thus lose my youth and hers, I grieve for mine, but for hers 100 times more. I never saw a case so unnatural, that when I can do or say anything that should please her or delight her, I never wish to do any other thing, and all I do seems to her vile and base, for by mercy nor by the love of God can I find any choice with her. She does me wrong and sin without end. Good lady, you can easily kill your natural man if it pleases you, but you will make yourself a mockery to people, and then you will be in mortal sin. I am indeed your man, for I do not hold myself as my own, but one does well to leave his fief to an evil lord. And a rich man is worth little when he loses his people, as happened to King Darius of Persia. Against my will, I love all alone for my own good, her who does not deign to see nor hear me. What shall I do then, since I cannot leave, and choice nor mercy help me? I will hold myself to the custom of the annoying pilgrim, who seeks and seeks for from the cold snow the crystal is born, from which one draws burning fire, and through effort good sufferers conquer. So what shall I do? I will suffer in such a way, like a constrained prisoner who must suffer. If one does him harm, but he would well know how to thank whoever did him good in place of a loyal friend. And if I wished, lady, to take another's fief, I would have won honored pleasure in brief, but nothing without you can please me, nor do I await entire joy from anything else. Therefore I have cast myself into indifference, like the cowardly man who forgets himself in flight, who dares not turn back, nor can he escape when his mortal enemies pursue him. I know no comfort except that of the Jew, that if he does me harm, one does his own at once, like one who defends himself with blind men. I have lost all strength and boldness. Necessary